Boys, first things first, I opened up to you guys last video. It's a little weird for me to do, you know? The support was unreal. I read every comment. I want to thank you guys so much. I'm not trying to point at you right now either. I think I just tightened this a little too much. My fingers are stuck like this. Anyway, boys, back to business today. With that, back in action. We're back in the action.
In 6 months.
Boys, thank you for joining back. I'm so stoked to bring you this video because for the longest time, man, I'm getting requests from, like always, is you guys are asking me to unbox Rolexes. But not just any Rolexes. Y'all are sending me links to wish Rolexes. Some foo-foo Rolexes that are like 50 bucks. You want to see how good they look. I get it. You guys want to fake flex. It's alright, bro. But the problem is, I can't be doing that on the channel. I do not support reps, which is replica watches or anything like that. Rolex and other companies are super strict on that. Rock what you want to rock, but you're not going to be getting reps on the channel in terms of watches, you know what I mean? So I always message you guys with that. It's like, I'd love to give you what you want, but I can't do it. However, because this is such a prominent question, nice word, I tried to make it work the best I could. I started doing a little research, boys. I scoured the internet and I've stumbled across a watch community. There's watch tubers or whatever. You guys don't want to be called that, do you? Watch tubers? I don't know what you guys call yourselves. And a bunch of people reviewed what they call the $100 Rolex. So in this video, boys, I'm gonna show you the cheap Rolex that you want to see. However, it's not fake, but it is fake. But it's not. I'm gonna have to explain this all in a second. I'm not a watch, by the way, guys, or I'm not a watch guy. I'm certainly not a watch. Anything I say about this watch in this video, just know I'm not a watch guy once again. I spent upwards of 10 grand on a Gucci watch with diamonds you can't even see unless you're looking through a microscope. Big mistake. I don't know what I'm doing, but boys, without further ado. Oh, by the way, 1,000 thumbs up within the day. We're giving away this gold diamond watch right here, boys. What the f? Where'd you put it? Every time. God, you're a mess. Oh, there it is. 1,000 thumbs up. Somebody's getting this. All you guys gotta do is comment down below and thumbs up. Super easy. Appreciate you guys. Let's get into this $100 Rolex, says the watch tubers. Like, what do you guys want to be called? You watch people? The watch squad? No, it's weird. The watch yourselves. I don't know. You guys gotta sound cool somehow. I don't know why I'm trying to name you guys. So, boys, we got the package. This is actually from Amazon. Now, I took a little second off camera to figure out how I'm gonna explain this. This watch itself is not a Rolex. Basically, it's a company that's just replicating the look of Rolexes. And from what I've seen through these reviews of this watch, I don't know if I promote this or not, it seems a little scummy they're doing this, and clearly caught the style. It literally looks like a version of a Rolex that's already out. We're just gonna check it out, because why not? Let's go. Oh, okay, that's not good. Shoot. Shit. It's not bad for you guys. I just always look for a nice box to show on thumbnails, and this yellow is just not gonna cut it. So, boys, I don't know what this thing's called. We're just gonna find out. Bang! Oh, there's a cool box. Yeah, why you gotta be yellow, though? Oh, and these guys are called Invicta. So they actually are a brand of watch. Oh, a cool box, actually, man. Oh, put my cool toys in here, that's for sure. That's hilarious. This is scummy. That's just weird of them. How do you get away with that? So I've actually seen the real Rolex version of this watch in person. And what this is kind of taking looks off of is a Submariner watch. Submariner? Submariner. It's definitely a Submariner. Take a look at that picture. Look at this goddamn thing, man. They're looking at Rolex and giving them a swift kick to the nuts on this one. I actually also have a plan. I'm gonna go downstairs and see if Ian can tell if this is a Rolex or not. I feel like he's like kind of a watch guy. Like he's not dumb about it. So we're gonna go do that in a second. Now here's a close-up look with a little voiceover to make this a little more professional, boys. The watch is like a smooth puss. Can't say that. My God, it's like the giraffe of the watch kingdom. It's like sick, but not that sick. It's not like a lion or a whale or something. That would be like a Rolex and an AP, but it's still all right. Maybe actually not even a giraffe. Got the hippopotamus of the watch community. It looks weird and it sucks. What in the hell is that? It's just an absolute copy off the Rolex, but the one thing you can see right here is they have the Indica. What a weird Invicta. Okay, good. That was Indica. I'm like, bad name. They've got the exact same style, but all they have in there that looks a little different, and obviously I'm sure the movements are. I know Rolex is moved by like shake for the most part, or all the parts. I don't know. Don't click this vid if you're here for the mechanical mechanisms on this piece, boys. Can't even figure out how to work my Xbox. Boys, this is the best I could give you. This thing is actually really sick though, and what I was thinking, let me just take this off for a sec. What I was thinking with this watch is, from a distance, man, I feel like if people like Rolexes, and just from a distance like this, they might be like, you know what, man, that might be a rollie on your wrist. I'm trying to give y'all some cheaper options to your rollies, I guess, that you want. Although now that I look at it, the face is quite a bit smaller. It just looks like the whole style they took off the Rolex. Like, look at these damn pictures again, man. Brian, move your big head. Small head, big face, actually. And I don't really know what else to show you guys. I mean, like, buy a real Rolex if you really want it, but if you want something that just kind of looks like it, I guess you can go with this. The reviews I did see, it's actually like a good watch from a lot of people. Some people were really butthurt about the whole Rolex thing. I personally don't really care, but at the same time, man, they're branding it with their stuff all over it. So clearly they're trying to copy the style, and that's, oh, this moves. I don't know why, but that's sick. Oh, now I can't tell time on it. No, you don't need the numbers to tell time, Brand. My bad. There it is. There's your $100 Rolex. It looks like the Submariner. It feels kind of nice. It is a lot smaller of a face in my opinion, I think. The shape's a little different too, so they definitely did whatever they could to not get sued, I feel like. And before we go downstairs to show you my new Rolex, I just want to show you the box. This is a cool part, man. We got a freaking like monkey fur or something here. That's not good to say. It's definitely not. It's, I don't know what kind of fur this is. You got fur right there. This is a cool part. It's got like a little seashell thing, and then we got this for cleaning my Game Boy Advance. The screen, you know? You just wipe that on the screen and you have no more smudges. Happy? Alright, let's go tell Ian I got a Rolex. And lie to his face. Quick ad, this video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Me. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry, as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, quality's not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Boys, you know brands for the family, brands for the boys, and that's why NameBranFam is a thing. Alright, let's go show Ian this gem. One thing I did say, he was kind of in the middle of an argument that Sir and I had about spending money without telling her the other day, so I think he's gonna think this is funny. I bought a Rolex now, right after that. Ian, you got a sec?
Sure.
I got a purchase I want to show you. I think you're gonna dig it. Check her out, bro. I just bought it. I unboxed it for the boys.
That?
Don't look too close, it's expensive.
How expensive? Is that a Rolex?
Yeah, bro. Oh, what movie is this?
Tenet?
Nice.
Yeah, you have to watch it like 3 times.
Oh, really? So me about like 5 times?
Dude, but Sarah's gonna kill you.
Not you.
Dude, after last week?
I told the boys I thought you might bring that up.
Yeah, you bought a Tesla and didn't tell your girlfriend.
Yeah, well, I ordered it online and didn't tell her.
Same
I
thing.
canceled it right away, but I didn't tell her.
Still gonna kill you.
Yeah, no, it's not actually real well. It's like $100 watch. It's like,
Still kill you.
so she can relax then. Do you want it? You can have it.
I've already got one, but
Well, now you can have another.
okay, sure.
Oh, sick.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, I guess Ian's gonna take it. Boys, there's your video on it. I can't really go into too much detail on this thing. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know anything about watches, so I don't really want to steer you in any way. In my opinion, it's kind of lame they did that. At the same time, who cares what my opinion is? Boys, there's your cheap option for something that looks like a Rolex. I'm glad I could bring you the video. Without further ado, I'll come back and see you tomorrow or something, and the next day or the next day. Probably tomorrow. Bye.